Hi, welcome back children. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Now let's continue with our class Social Science Unit 1 Our Earth. Okay, last class we learned how Earth is originated, that is, how Earth is created. How Earth is created? Earth is created by a very big explosion. That explosion is called as Big Bang. Because of this Big Bang, many celestial bodies are created. Next, we learned about universe. What is a universe? It is a vast expanse of space. What is a galaxy? Galaxy is a cluster of stars. And we learned about solar system. Solar system consists of sun and its planets. So how many planets are there in a solar system? There are 8 planets. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these all we saw in the previous class. Now let's continue with our class. Today we are going to learn about Earth. We are going to learn about Earth. Okay. So you can see the picture of our Earth, and we are going to learn few things about Earth. So as you can see, Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The first planet is Mercury, the second planet is Venus, and the third planet is our planet Earth. And it is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. So Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. You can see Earth is the third planet from the Sun and fifth largest planet in the solar system. Okay, then we are going to learn about two new terms, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. So what is rotation and what is revolution we are going to see. Okay, Earth rotates on its axis. It is called rotation of the Earth. Earth rotates on its axis. It is called rotation of the Earth. So day and night are caused due to the Earth's rotation. So Earth is rotating. So what will happen? It is rotating on its axis. It is rotating on its own axis. Because of the rotating of its axis, day and night are caused. Day and night are happening. Okay. Next, it also revolves around the sun. So Earth is also revolving around the sun. It is called as revolution. It is called as revolution of the earth. So what is happening because of revolution? Seasons are caused. What is that? Seasons are caused. Okay. So what is happening? Two things are there. One is rotation and another one is revolution. Because of rotation, day and night are caused. Because of rotation, day and night are caused. And because of revolution, seasons are caused. What are season we know? We know summer season, winter season, spring season, all these are seasons. So because of revolution of the earth, seasons are caused. Okay. Next thing is life is possible only on earth. Life is possible only on earth because of presence of air, water and land. So only in our planet earth we are having air, water and land, which is very useful for the human being to live. Okay. So without air no one can live. Without water nobody can live. And without land where we will stay? There will be no place for us to stay. Okay, so only life is possible only in the planet Earth. So no other planet has all these things together. Okay, now we can see the thing again. Earth is the third planet and Earth is the fifth largest planet. And two things are there. One is rotation, another one is revolution. Rotation causes day and night, and revolution causes season. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Okay, then seasons. So seasons, what are seasons we know? The first one is summer. Summer season is from March to May. Summer season is from March to May. Then winter season is from December to February. Winter season is from December to February. Okay. Then comes southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon, that is from June to September. June to September. Southwest monsoon is otherwise called as summer monsoon. Summer monsoon. So in the monsoon time we will get rainfall. In the southwest monsoon, wind flows from Arabian Sea to the mainland of India from the southwest direction. Okay, in southwest monsoon, wind that flows from Arabian Sea to the mainland of India from the southwest direction. Okay, it gives rainfall to our country. So it is also called as summer monsoon. Okay, next comes northeast monsoon. What is that? Northeast monsoon. It is called as winter monsoon. Winter monsoon. So our state Tamil Nadu get rains in northeast monsoon. Okay. Our state Tamil Nadu get rain in northeast monsoon. So these are the seasons we know. Then we'll move on to the next one. That is we can learn some few points about the earth. Okay. The distance between the sun and the earth is nearly 150 million kilometer. The distance between the sun and the earth is nearly 150 million kilometer. So in fill in the blanks they will ask what does the distance between sun and the earth means? You will write 150 million kilometer. Okay. Next we'll read few other facts. The first one is Mercury and Venus lie near to the sun. Mercury and Venus lie near to the sun. So first two planets are what? Mercury and Venus, which is very close to the sun. Next to Earth is Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So Earth is the third planet. What is the next planet? Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. The planets near to sun are very hot. The planets near to the sun are very hot. Like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars and all will be very hot. The planets away from the sun are very cold. The planets away from the sun are very cold. The planet that is very far away from the sun are very cold. Okay. Next few points. Mercury is the smallest planet. So we are having 8 planets in our solar system. In that, Mercury is the very smallest planet. Okay. The next point is Venus is called Earth's twin. Venus is called Earth's twin because Venus is having similar quality like Earth. Okay. Like size, everything it will be same, but some features will be different, but many features are similar like Earth. So it is called as Earth's twin. Then Mars is called as red planet. Why? Because it appears in the sky as a red star. So Mars is called as red planet. So it appears in the sky as a red star. So it is called as red planet. Earth is called the blue planet. Earth is called the blue planet. Why it is called as blue planet? So Earth is filled with more amount of water than land. So it is called as blue planet. Earth is called the blue planet. Saturn is the ring planet. As we know, Saturn is having a ring. So it is called as ring planet. So one more time we will revise this. The distance between the sun and the earth is nearly 150 million kilometer. Mercury and Venus lie near to the sun. Next to the earth is Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planets near to the sun are very hot. The planets away from the sun are very cold. Mercury is the smallest planet. Venus is called Earth's twin. Mars is called as red planet. Earth is called the blue planet. And Saturn is the ringed planet. Saturn is the ringed planet. Okay. Next, 7 continents. So you all know that Earth has 7 continents. What are they? You can see the picture of continents. So what are the 7 continents? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So these are the 7 continents of Earth, and in that Asia is the first continent and it is the biggest continent according to size. So Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent and Antarctica is full of ice. Antarctica is full of ice. So you can see the picture here. Australia is here, Asia is here, and then Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the largest continent and Antarctica is full of ice. So these are the 7 continents. Okay. Next comes 5 ocean. 5 oceans. So what are the oceans? We already know Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. These are the 5 oceans of our planet Earth. So what are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Okay. So around 71% of our earth is covered by salt water. Around 71% of our earth is covered by salt water. So our earth is having more amount of water than land. Okay. In that 71% of water, only 2 percentage of water is fresh water. Others and all, what water? Salt water. Okay. 2.5 percentage of water is fresh water and only 1 percentage of it is easily accessible. So only 1 percentage of the water is we are accessing. It is getting for us to use. Okay. So other waters are not, we cannot be used. Okay. Then you can see this picture. This you everybody know. It is a Birla Planetarium is located in Chennai, which provides virtual tour of the night sky and planets of the solar system. Okay, so you can ask your parents to take to Birla Planetarium once all the lockdown is over. Okay, you can go and see there on the virtual view of night sky and how the planets and solar system are there in the space. Okay, next we are going to see fill in the blanks. So as I told, the distance between the earth and the sun is 150 million kilometer. The distance between the earth and the sun is 150 million kilometer. Dash is caused due to the revolution of the earth. Seasons is caused due to the revolution of the earth. The continent which is covered by ice is Antarctica. The continent which is covered by ice is Antarctica. The biggest continent is Asia. The biggest continent is Asia. Dash is described as red planet. Mars is described as red planet. Dash percentage of our earth is covered by salt water. 71% of our earth is covered by salt water. Next, match the following, which is the smallest continent. It is Australia, blue planet, Earth, and Neptune is the farthest planet. It is the last planet. Okay. Now, I think you all are familiar with our solar system and about how Earth is formed, all these things. Please keep watching all the videos 1 time or 2 times so that you will be familiar with all the things. Thank you, student.